Most people get this wrong because they assume all reward apps work the same. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Lucktastic and Mistplay are built in completely different ways, and picking the wrong one can waste your time for weeks before you realize it. In this video you'll learn exactly how Lucktastic and Mistplay work in 2026, how they actually pay users, and which app is better depending on your goals. By the end, you'll know which one is worth your time, and which one you should probably avoid. Let's start with the basics. Lucktastic is mainly a scratch card style app. You open it, scratch digital cards, and hope for small rewards or entries into sweepstakes. It feels simple, but here's the problem. Most of the time, earnings are unpredictable. You might play for days and see very little return unless you get lucky in a promotion or contest. Now Mistplay works very differently. Mistplay is a gaming rewards app where you earn points by playing mobile games. You don't rely on luck. You earn based on time spent and engagement. That means the more you play, the more consistent your rewards become. But here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay is more structured, but it also has limits. You won't get rich. You're essentially trading time for small gift cards. Users like Jake might play for an hour and earn a small reward over time, not instant cash. Lucktastic, on the other hand, can feel exciting because of jackpots and sweepstakes. But that excitement is also the trap. Most users never hit meaningful rewards. So the earning consistency is much lower compared to Mistplay. Now let's talk payouts. Mistplay typically pays through gift cards like Amazon or Google Play. It is more stable, but slower. Lucktastic also uses rewards and sweepstakes entries, but cash-out reliability can vary depending on availability and region. But here's the key question. Which one is better in 2026? If you want consistent, predictable rewards for casual gaming, Mistplay clearly wins. It is more stable, more structured, and easier to understand for beginners. If you enjoy scratch cards and random chance with very low expectations, Lucktastic can still be entertaining, but not reliable as an earning app. The biggest mistake people make is treating these apps like income sources. They are not. At best, they are small reward systems for spare time. So here's the final takeaway. Mistplay is better for consistency and structured rewards. Lucktastic is better for entertainment with occasional, luck-based wins. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment your experience with these apps, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns like this.